I'm back. Good morning. I just woke up and very much tired. Look at, I haven't fixed my hair and haven't taken a shower. But anyway, I just want to share the outcome of my kimchi. I have two different sliced of kimchi. This is the other one, the sliced like a French fries, and the cubes. So the other part of my video, I mentioned that the process before before making the kimchi or for the radish, you have to brine it. It's the salting process. So first you've got to slice the radish and then put salt, sprinkle some salt, and then let it sit for at least 1.5 to 2 hours in order for the radish in order for the water inside the radish and then the bitter taste will be removed. So look at this beautiful color. So as you can see, in making kimchi you must have a color. You can mix it with a different kind of vegetable like spring onion, carrots, and in my other kinds of kimchi I mixed pear or peaches, and then mixed it with my kimchi ingredients in order for you to have a sweet spicy kimchi. So this is the result of my kimchi. I hope you're gonna like it. You can try it also for your healthy diet. So why kimchi? Some people ask me what's the origin of this kind of process. In Korea, they have 4 seasons, so they use this method. Actually, this is some kind of brining and fermentation. So they ferment their food, and in order for them to have some sort of supply for the entire winter season. As you know, during the winter season they cannot plant anything, so especially vegetable, it's all frozen around. So all you have to do is to brine some of the vegetables like the cabbage, kimchi, and onion, and then eventually they're gonna put them together in order for them to have kimchi that can a supply that can last for the entire winter season, starting November to February. So I have actually when I taste it, it's not really spicy because I think the chili pepper which I bought yesterday from the market, it's not really that spicy. I like it more spicier because my children requested me to add some more pepper. So you can buy, and the aroma of this kimchi is delicious. So you can have this and try it for your family, and good luck. So I'm gonna have breakfast first. I'm using this beautiful cup coming from a friend, Jane, and just one piece of pandesal, and my husband is giving me 1 chocolate a day. Actually, I said I'm on diet, but I don't eat all the entire pack. I just eat 2 cubes inside, and just for me to have, because when I'm stressed and working, I need something sweet, and I need chocolate in order for me to get more what I call that, to be inspired. And when you eat chocolate or something sweet, there's some I get energized. So, and for another healthy living diet, I'm drinking lemon water. You can put a lemon, sliced lemon, overnight, and you can drink it also. And for my pandesal, I'm using this. So you can see it's delicious though. You can put some ham and cheese, this cheese, cream cheese, and two pandesal for my breakfast. Thank you and good luck.